Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
For those who are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to my next video. And if you like our video tutorial, please don't hesitate to click the like button and you are free to leave the comment below. Stay tuned and relax. Welcome again to our video tutorial. This time we will discuss all about greatest common factor. But before we will go further with greatest common factor, make sure that you already have your idea about common factors, okay? On how to find common factors because that is very useful in finding the greatest common factor. So if you still don't know how to find the common factors, I have a video about finding the common factors. I already put it in the link below, so please try to watch that before you will go to the greatest common factor. So in greatest common factor, there are actually three methods that we are going to use to find the greatest common factor. We have the listing method, the prime factorization method, and the continuous division. But this time we will just use the prime factorization method and the continuous division method. So in prime factorization method, you should have a prior knowledge about prime numbers and also composite numbers because from the word itself, prime, our goal here is that all our answers should be in prime numbers. So without further ado, let us start our video tutorial. Okay, let's have an example. So for example, we have 30 and 45. Now we have to look for two numbers that if we multiply, the answer should be 30 and 45. So let's start with 30 first. So we have 3 times 10. You can use other number than 10. 3 times 10. Okay, so 3 is still a composite price. 3 is already a prime number and 10 is still a composite number. So we have to look for the two factors of 10. We have 2 times 5. Now let's go with 45. Now in 45, we have the two numbers 5 and 9. So 5 is already a prime number and 9 is still a composite number. So we have to look for the two factors of 9. We have 3 times 3. And that are prime numbers. That is how you're going to use the prime factorization method. Now next, let us list down all their prime numbers. Let's start with 30. We have the 3, the 2, and the 5. So those are the prime numbers of 30. So 3 times 2, we can use the x as multiplication or the dot between. So 3 times 2 times 5, and then the 45 is 5, are 5, 3, and 3. So we have 3 times 3 times 5. Now what are we going to do next? We have to partner them. So partner the 3, the both 3, and also the 5. Next, if we already done partnering it, list down only one number each partner. So we have 3 and 5. So it's 3 times 5 and our GCF will be 15. And that is how you're going to find the greatest common factor of the two numbers. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we have 90 and 72. 90 and 72. Let's start with 90. Let us look for the two numbers that if we multiply, the answer is 90. We have 9 times 10. You can also use 3 times 30. Okay, so 9 is still a composite number, also 10. So let us find their two factors. So 9, we have 3 times 3, and 10, we have 2 times 5. Now we're done with 90. Let's go with 72. 72 have two factors. We have 9 times 8. 9 and 8 are still composite numbers. So let us find their factors. We have 3 under 9. We have 3 times 3. And 8, we have 2 times 4. 4 is still a composite number. So let us find its factors. We have 2 times 2. Now we're done using the prime factorization method. Let us list down their prime numbers. Okay? So let's start with 90. We have 3, 3, 2, and 5. So we will write 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. And if we will multiply it all, the result will be 90. Let's go with 72. We have 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now next thing to do is that you will find the partner. So we have 3 there. So 1 number each partner, another 3. So times 3 and 2. So 1 number for each partner. Then multiply all the numbers. The answer will be 18. And 18 will be our GCF. And that is how we are going to find the greatest common factor. At this time, let us go with continuous division method. From the word itself, division, therefore, we will use the operation division. Divide. We will divide numbers but in a different way. Although continuous division method are somehow related to long division method. So, for example, we have 45 and 60. So this will be the sign of long division method. So it's just a reverse of a division sign. So all you have to do is to find a number that we can multiply by 45 and 60. It can be a prime number or a composite number. So in our case, we can use 5 here. So 45 divided by 5, that is 9. You write 9 below the 45. And then 60 divided by 5, the answer is 12. You write 12 below 60. Now 9 and 12, there is still a number that we can divide with 9 and 12. Then write it in the left side, that is 3. Now 9 divided by 3, that is 3. And 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Now try to look at the 3 and 4. There is no more number that we can divide with 3 and 4. Therefore, our last step is that we will multiply all the numbers in the left side. So we have 3 times 5 and the answer will be 15. And 15 is our greatest common factor or the GCF. Let's have another example. So for example, we have 16 and 32. Now let us think of a number that we can divide with 16 and 32. So we have 4. Now 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4, and 32 divided by 4, that is equal to 8. Now 4 and 8, there is still a number that we can divide with 4 and 8, and that is 2, or it can be 4 also. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. There is still a number that we can divide with 2 and 4, and that is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And we are left with 1 and 2. So there is no more a number that we can divide with 1 and 2 except for 1. So let us now multiply all the numbers in the left side. So we have 4 times 2 times 2. And our final answer or our GCF will be 16. So 16. that's all for our video tutorial. I hope that you learned something out from our video tutorial. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video. Bye, my little mathematician. See you again in our next video. God bless. Stay safe.